Today I'm taking you inside the EMAAR Oasis, not in a sales center, but directly into actual construction site. As we enter the community, you can start understanding the scale of what EMAAR is building here. This is going to be one of Dubai's major low-density villa and mansion communities. What I particularly want to show you today is the progress on the ground. We are heading towards Mirage, where you have these impressive 5-bedroom villas. When you see community physically rather than only looking at the master plan, you get a complete idea, understanding of both villa positioning and plot size and overall scale. Now we're going to be heading inside right after the security camera towards Mirage. You can see already the architecture, the height of the villa, and how substantial these homes are going to be once the land location is surrounding and infrastructure is complete. And as we continue on, you can see just how far the construction has moved across parts of Palmiera and Mirage. That's a bit of a view from the top of the architecture. 80% of the construction has taken place. You can only physically see the community coming together. Today I'm taking you inside the EMAAR Oasis, not in a sales center, but directly into actual construction site. As we enter the community, you can start understanding the scale of what EMAAR is building here. This is going to be one of Dubai's major low-density villa and mansion communities. What I particularly want to show you today is the progress on the ground. We are heading towards Mirage, where you have these impressive 5-bedroom villa. When you see the community physically rather than only looking at the master plan, you get a complete understanding of Rhodes Villa positioning and plot sizes and overall scale. Now we're going to be heading inside right after the security cabin towards Mirage. You can see already the sea architecture, the height of villas, and how substantial these homes are going to feel once the landscaping and surrounding and infrastructure is completed. And as we continue, you can see just how advanced the construction has become across parts of Palmiera and Mirage. That's a bit of a view from the top, that how the 6-bedroom, 5-bedroom and 4-bedroom looks. 80% of the construction has taken place. You can only physically see the community coming together.